Here's a 2-cylinder marine engine. I got it non-running from a Russ Ruzel collection a while back. It's actually very heavy. It's 4 pounds 1.5 ounces. It's a pretty robust engine. I made the intake and exhaust. Those are brass intakes. These are brass exhaust pipes, nickel plated and slanted at a cut. It's got a kind of unique accessory that it's got a oil drip tray. Each of the 3 main bearings below, see if I can capture that, is plumbed in, goes right to the bearing and drips into each of the recesses right there. So I thought that was really interesting. I got it running, but I'm not good on these engines, evidently. I don't have time to really pursue it. You can see it's got pretty nice movements to it, and they're pretty free. It does run now. I know it needs to run better. I know the slides inside there sometimes get stuck, and I've had to, especially if you move it around or put on cider like I'm just doing right there, and I've had to tap on the top with air and get them back seated. They usually seat right away, but I wanted to let you know that. It's not always a self-starter, and it should be. Probably has a timing issue, and I know probably still just needs lined out, and I just don't have the time to put in it, and I'm not going to put any time in it anymore. I've got too many other projects going on. But it will run. And let me get it going on air here. Okay. Yeah, I'll probably get that way. Here we go. That's it. That's what I'm talking about. Sometimes it'll take off, sometimes it won't. That's running on probably 3 or 4 pounds. It's shaking the table. Let's run her up. Just under 20 pounds. Do this off there without hurting myself. It's 11/16 bore and about 11/16 stroke, so just under 3/4 of an inch. So pretty good size. It's over 4 pounds, and it'll run pretty slow. But I'm selling this with the understanding that it needs work. I don't know enough about them. It's got a bolt, a stud broke off in the head up here, and it needs that bolt. I think I have another bolt that I can send with it, but that won't have to be retrieved out of there because there's a little blow by right there. I put gaskets in it all the way around. Like I say, I made the intake and exhaust gaskets, but I don't consider it in good shape running wise yet. I made these exhaust pipes and nickel plated them. I think I already said that. But that's it. I don't think I've ever shown this because it never ran before. About as slow as she'll run. Couple pounds pressure. Thanks for looking. Bye.